Good morning, traders. This is Frank Cholly with RJO Futures in Chicago, coming to you on Tuesday morning, August 13th, with your grain market morning commentary. Currently, grains are trading higher across the board. We have corn trading 3 to 4 better, soybeans 9 to 10 better, and the wheat is 4 to 5 better. We had a crop report yesterday that was considered bullish because everything was lower than what the trade had priced in. We still have some good numbers here, but again, less than what we had priced in. So we saw ending stocks and production estimates both lowered by the USDA. And the grain markets have been pricing in more acres, better yields, therefore, bigger production. And we got a little bit of a surprise yesterday as all those numbers were lowered. So the markets really only had one place to go from here because they were down so much already. It would have took some very bearish news to continue this downside momentum that we've seen recently. So a bounce was in order, and that's what we got. We got a good bounce right now. And at this point, I would expect that the markets take a little bit of a breather or pause for a while, do a little consolidation. In the end, I still think that we're going to see better production than what we've seen the past few years, something closer to what we consider normal in terms of yields. We have a lot of acres planted. We got off to a late start, so the crop development is a little behind. But again, yesterday we saw an update on the weekly crop conditions, and they're holding steady at 64% good to excellent in the corn and the soybeans. So these are very good numbers. The only real possible threat that we have at this point is that we're going to have an early frost. We're not going to get any early harvest this year. The crops got planted late because of the wet, cold spring. So there is a possibility as we get a little further into the cycle here that there's an early frost which can cause some damage to the crops. But that's the only possibility at this point. From here, I think the markets probably hang out for a while, do a little sideways. But there's nothing, real bullish about this report. I don't think we see corn go back above $5. I don't think that we can see soybeans test that $13 level again. In fact, $12.50 to $12.75 I think would be a little extreme in the November soybeans. And then, $5.10 to $5.30 would be considered extreme to me on the upside for corn right now. So that's all I have time for right now. Please feel free, shoot me an email or give me a call. My number is 800-826-4124. And as always, remember that trading commodity futures does involve substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. Thank you.